What's good, everybody? This is your girl Bella J. As promised, I said we was going to do zippers and use denim material. Well, I found my shorts and I cut it. And if you want to see how I did this, then please stay tuned. So we are here to sew a zipper on fabric. So we're using denim. I've already switched my needle to the 100/16. I've already put in my yarn and also filled my bobbin so that we can have everything according to the instructions. Now, I'm using these denim shorts that I bought. They are not stretch. I bought these from Savers and they are 100% cotton. And they are thick. Okay, I've already cut out one of my thigh parts. Yes, I cut it out. You want to match the zipper with the fabric that you're intended to use. This is about six inches, possibly, but it fits well. So we are going to start now. You can use binder clips. You can use these type of craft clips. You can use clips that you have in the house. Down to, you don't necessarily have to buy these because these were maybe $4 to $6. I had got these from Candy's Quilting, I believe. So whatever is possible. Also, I'm going to post a video link below to help you if you want to watch that video before we start ours. You can pause, watch the other video, and then come right back. I hope that's helpful. I am not a professional here. I have not taken any sewing classes. Everything I've learned here through YouTube, but the basics I learned in high school or junior high school way back in the days. Oh, and when I was in the shelter as well, the maternity shelter. So now, I did a basting stitch, was just a simple stitch on the outside of each piece. Okay, so now I am going to lay this down and put this face down. So I am, oh my gosh, I am so nervous. I am gonna use simple craft clips. These are baggy clips. These are from Gizmos. I use these. These are big enough for me to see everything. I am so nervous. You have to forgive me. By any means necessary, you use what you have. If you have straight pins, you can do that too. You just got to be mindful when putting it in the machine. Now, I also have a presser foot. That's a zipper presser foot. Let's see if you can see it this way. Sorry. And I am going to put this facing the prong on my right. Now, according to the instructions of my manual, on page 40, it says that my stitch length should be between 2 and 3, and the stitch width should be 2.5. So I have that. Now, you need your zipper foot, and it gives you instructions on what to do. So you might want to refer back to your manual, your owner's manual for your machine, and use that as a guideline. If you have a book that helps you knock yourself out, that's even just as good. And if you have girls that get together for sewing, have someone help you and guide you, you know, just to see if you're doing it correct. I am going to lower the zipper teeth on this just so I can get the first stitch in. actually I need it to be on the left hand side because of the way the foot is. So the way the teeth are. Align your zipper to the seam of the fabric. Okay? Facing up, teeth facing down, fabric facing up. Please take your time. Do not speed through this. Please don't. Okay, we can do this. I'm lifting up my foot and I am moving my zipper forward without moving my fabric, trying to keep everything in place. Putting it back down. I'm gonna lower the presser foot. I'm gonna reverse a little bit back and then I'm coming forward. Now I want to base this down. I don't want to iron it down, so I am hand pressing it and I'm bringing this. I am going to open up my zipper and I am going to now move my foot to the left side, to the right side rather. This is where you would want to iron, but I'm okay with this. So bringing my lever down and I'm back stitching. It's kind of like what they call a stitch in the ditch. I don't know why I want to do this. I'm gonna lift my foot up and I'm gonna zipper this up. Good, here we go. Now we're going to do the other side. Again, you're going to lay your fabric face down and you want your zipper to be face down with your fabric faced up. Right side faced up, fabric face down. I mean, zipper face down, fabric faced up. And now you are going to work on this zipper. We're going to work from the bottom up. The other one was from the top down. It's okay. There's no right or wrong way. Once you become a master at this, then all is fun. And you could tweak it however you want. But I'm doing it this way, okay? So now, we want to change the presser foot. I am going to back stitch and then bring it forward. I am going to undo the zipper a little bit without moving it. If I have to, it's fine. Don't be afraid. You got to make sure your needle is up in order to do this. It won't let you budge. Now we're there. Back down. And now I'm gonna stitch in the ditch. I actually like stitching in the ditch. I don't know why. Is that what you call stitching in the ditch? Bringing it to this side. Okay, so opening my foot, bringing my needle back down. Nervous is not the word. So now we have a zippered. We have a zippered item. So let's get this excess. There you go. Zipper on denim. And yes, I switched my needle to the 116. Yes, I have cotton thread. Yes, I adjusted the tensions as to my owner's manual. And this is what I have. So we did it, everybody. Yay! A zipper done.